This video shows the radial bearing command using the sync pack. This is a transparent command that allows me to select an arc and it'll find the radial bearing value of the arc segment that I select and the portion of it. When you run this command, the O-snaps can cause this command issues. So you'll want to make sure that it's turned off before running the command. Or when you're using the transparent command portion of it, turn off your object snaps. At the command line, it'll warn you if it is on. So to run this command, you start a new command, and I'm going to run the line command. And then it's going to ask me for the first point, like the line command does. And I can type 'RD for radial bearing. And then it's going to ask me to enter the radial bearing that I want to use. And I'm going to use 45 degrees. And then it's going to ask me to select the curve entity. So if I click on this portion of the circle, it's going to find the radial bearing based on that location. If I run the command again and type in 45 again and select the opposite side of the circle, it's going to find the 45 radial bearing at that location. If I want to change the settings, I can run the transparent command, do S for settings, and then it'll allow me to enter in the angle type and then the angle format. Here I'm going to type 45 again and select the upper right quadrant of the circle. And then I can run it again and then select the bottom left quadrant. And then I can close my line command, and now I can see that it placed it uniformly on my circle at the 45-degree radial bearing. And that's how we can find points on arcs or curves or circles for polylines at a designated location for the radial bearing. And you can find this transparent command within the sync pack.